Section 6 Effective Questions to Ask Your Mentor as Mentee. A mentor is a trusted industry expert who can offer you advice and guidance as you progress in your career. The right mentor can help you outline a clear career path and choose steps to achieve your professional goals. Learning about questions to ask mentors may help you in future meetings. In this article, we explore 9 specific questions to ask your mentor so you can optimize this professional relationship. Number 1. Sample questions to ask a mentor. A mentor often offers career advice, skills training, networking opportunities, and references for your job search. While many people choose mentors in their own field, you may also choose an advisor in another industry to provide broader career insights. The following questions can help you learn from your mentor's relevant experiences, identify opportunities for professional growth, and better understand how you're seen in the workplace. Here are some sample questions with insight you might gain from asking each. Number 1. How did you pursue your career? Mentors are usually at a higher position on a career path comparable to yours. As a result, knowing your mentor's experience may help you shape your own career route. You may learn about the standard phases in this field, such as education and early employment, as well as your goals at each level of growth. Perhaps your mentor sought chances outside of the usual job route, which gave several rewards. Your mentor's career trajectory might serve as a guideline or introduce you to choices you hadn't explored before. Number 2. What's an obstacle you encountered, and how did you handle it? Overcoming hurdles is critical to success in any vocation. Your mentor has most likely encountered obstacles comparable to those you may experience in your own profession. You can draw on your mentor's experiences to help you foresee problems and plan your own reaction. Ask your mentor how they feel about the outcomes of their reactions to challenges and what efforts they made to stay focused on their objective despite failures. You can learn from their triumphs or uncover how they would have handled the issue differently if they knew what they know today. Number 3. What career accomplishments are you most proud of? Earning advancements or overcoming a little but difficult obstacle are examples of career triumphs. Consider examining the successes that brought your mentor the most pride to help you set your own professional objectives. Your mentor's opinion on your professional successes might inspire you to prioritize growth and quantifiable success. Number 4. Have you read any books that helped you develop your career? There might be several materials that assisted your mentor on their professional journey, ranging from fictional works with useful lessons to factual books on productivity or leadership. This inquiry might bring you to a range of literary works that provide knowledge and inspiration for your professional career. Discover which books your mentor has learned the most from and consider reading them yourself. They may also be able to provide you with more materials, such as documentaries, podcasts, online interviews, or lectures. Number 5. What do you see as my strengths? Understanding the skills you excel at can help you locate the career options that are most suited to your abilities. Your mentor can help you objectively analyze your strengths, giving you a list of abilities to include on your resume or utilize in your next job hunt. You can utilize your mentor's evaluation to answer interview questions about your strengths, including examples that highlight how you use your skills to complete tasks and achieve goals. Number 6. What can I improve? You may grow your career by improving areas that need improvement, but you may not be able to perceive your own shortcomings clearly and objectively. Seek advice from your mentor on how to improve your job abilities. Your mentor may be able to direct you to resources such as continuing education, extra training, or new practice possibilities. Number 7. How do others view you? Mentors can help you effectively assess your abilities and learn where to best employ your skills and talents in the job. If your mentor works for the same firm, they can provide you insight into how your co-workers or bosses see you. A mentor from a different firm may have information about your general reputation in your sector. This information can help you develop your strengths and address areas where you want to improve how people see you. Number 8. How can I prepare for my performance review? Performance reviews are yearly meetings with your boss or employer that recognize your accomplishments and push you to grow. Your mentor can provide you insight into what to expect during your performance evaluation, especially if you work for the same organization. They can also provide you tips on how to respond appropriately to comments. During this meeting, you may try role-playing crucial exchanges like accepting criticism or requesting a raise. Performance evaluations help you set goals for progress within your firm, so planning these sessions with your mentor can help you stay on track. What's your leadership style? If you want to rise to a management position, you must have effective leadership qualities. Discover which principles your mentor finds valuable and how they have influenced their capacity to successfully lead others. You can opt to use these leadership strategies or tailor them to your own style. For example, if you are used to being an active and participatory leader, you may experiment with a more quiet and autonomous approach. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.